And we're joined by Michelle Weber, the community relations person for Camp Winfield. 51 years here now that this has been going on. And I guess you're reaching out to the community right now to say, hey, here we are.
Absolutely. We're a very, very relevant organization, and now our focus is on bringing us into younger generations so they know and appreciate what we're doing. The goal is to apply resources and have options and programs available for people with diverse abilities throughout the year, some job training, and even maybe training, place of employment to hire people with diverse abilities.
At a camp, it's the kind of 1 week a year where the kids don't have those structured rules that they do for the rest of their life. And if the kid does want to run around the field 17 times, what harm is that? So we definitely take the gentle approach to behavior support, where we encourage them and we make sure that they're living their best life here and they're doing what they want to do, free from what society else is expecting of them.
Yeah. So Ethan, you've been coming to Camp Winfield for how long?
5 years.
What's it like for you? What does this week mean for you?
I get to go away from my family and let them have time to themselves. And they're happy that I'm here.
You've been coming here for how long?
3 years.
What do you like about it?
Oh, well, one, the counselors are so chill.
But it does look like you guys are having a lot of fun.
Yeah, we're just trying to do a world record for the fast time here in Winfield.
All right, fastest time down the slide.
Yeah.
Century 21 raises money for this camp. Coming here and seeing what's going on, how do you feel about it?
You know, I feel very blessed and fortunate. What you find here is that you've got kids that are doing things that they didn't think were possible before. It moves me to tears because, you know, some of these kids have never had that opportunity until they've attended the camp. So it's a pretty awesome feeling.
You can just look around. You see the joy that these kids have. You can see their independence start to flourish. And then you can think about the parents and families and having that respite and that time to recharge and reset for the next year to come. So it's just an amazing place that helps everyone, really. Keep your eyes on us. We're only going to grow and get better and better. You're going to hear our name everywhere.
All right. Michelle Weber, thanks very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching Kelowna Now.